Just tell me, start filming, bitch.
Yes, I did, motherfucker.
Who the hell gives you your paycheck?
Your wife. Oh. Damn! Yes, I went there.
Well, she's in her purse. Ask for my balls back, too.
Oh, dude, you ain't ever getting those back.
No, it's okay. I got it.
I don't give a shit who you think you are. You ain't ever getting them back.
I got spares. Anyway.
I support women's lib 110%. That's why I divorced my wife.
Oh, God. Anyway.
Okay, here we go.
The banter.
And again, major.
Is this Star Wars?
No, not yet. Give me time. Because I did... Wait. I found our lightsaber.
We're 1 minute into this video and we haven't covered a damn thing yet. Anyway.
Okay, so...
Props to
Top Flight again.
And for Mo for calling him after we set up the order. And Mo called him. Bada bing, bada boom, here it is.
Yep, exactly. So, the part that we had that was broken, I didn't realize there was a lot more that just wasn't there.
Oh, yeah.
And I really didn't. I didn't remember that. It's been a while since I've worked on the columns.
And this is the way the horn didn't work. The horn didn't work.
Exactly. So this was not making any connection with anything. No. It just wasn't. The spring was gone. Now, when I said we were looking for a spring and a pin, this is what I meant.
There it is. There she blows.
Yeah, exactly. And when I said it was like
a pen spring?
Yeah, a pen from back in the day.
Yeah.
Here's your little springy ringy.
Boing, boing.
Boing, boing.
Boing, boing, go in the hole.
Go in the hole.
Contact.
And for those of you, let's see if you can figure it out. Put Edwina back in the bowl. Back in the bowl. Put Edwina back in the bowl. Which movie?
I don't know, but is that Robin Williams?
No.
He did something similar, though, that sounded just like
Yes. That. So we're going to do here.
Oh, look at Scotty go.
And, come on, get in there. It's a bit of a...
You sticking it in?
Sticking in the hole and and it pushes back out. That's like a water bed. One push and the bed does the rest. But I'm pumped.
Oh,
so now we'll get this here like this.
Are you putting your shaft in the hole?
Yes, I'm putting my shaft in the hole. I hope everybody likes it.
Ay, papito.
Oh, Poppy. Give it to me, baby. Oops, sorry.
What else did we get from Top Flight? Wasn't there another piece in there?
That was the spring and this piece.
Oh.
And we also have dun dun dun.
The clippy. That's the clippy.
How the hell did they?
It's heat sealed, dude. Look at, they weren't even square. They cut them and do it with the heat thing, like a vacuum saver for your chicken in the freezer. Speaking of, didn't we just get into my bag of chicken?
Yeah, we got into your bag of chicken.
And Mama gave us pie today.
Yes, very good apple pie. Very, very good apple pie. And we have, ta-da!
Oh my God, we have what we need.
I know, right?
What?
It is going to be so fucking nice to have this all back together again.
Look at that.
So I'll get the rubber piece. Got to be careful not to break it.
Don't break the rubber.
Yeah, I know, right?
You know what happens and you know what goes on when that happens.
Yeah.
Child support.
Exactly. Oh, why is 88 better than 69?
Oh God, I don't know.
Because you get to get 8 twice.
Oh my God. Sorry we fold in dirty jokes, but we're here to entertain. Okay, so
and we'll get everything ready. I'll get all the pieces together.
Look at that. We have
exactly.
We might have a horn that works?
Yes. Like it's supposed to.
What the fuck?
I know, right? That's what I was saying. So I'm trying to do more kind of instructional videos with these things. And I think I've done this once already. But in case I haven't,
I don't remember.
okay. So here's our adjuster to make the steering wheel go up and down. Here's our rod. And it does that because Scotty wasn't ready for
The
it.
rod's on the floor.
Can you grab my rod, mister? Okay, so
That's all I'm doing.
let's put it back like it's supposed to be.
The key
Key,
and the rod.
rod.
Lock bolt.
Now, for those of you playing the home game,
That retains that.
now when I tighten it, if you watch just ever so gently,
Oh, look at that.
and that will ride in its slot here in the steering column.
It's gonna ride the slot.
It's gonna ride the slot, baby.
I've known some slots.
You and me both. Huh? What? What?
It's all bad.
So we'll get this all set, get it back together. Got to push down on all this nice, neat, happy crap so that we can get, and I'll pull this out so you guys can see. Don't want to lose that, so let me do that. Whew, thank God. Okay. So, I don't know if you guys can see, right?
Little lock ring.
Yeah, just like that. So that, with everything in place, will push up and stop.
That from popping out.
Correct. So let's get that in place for just to give the idea. So once this is all in place like it's supposed to be, push down on the spring. And this piece slides in and holds it all.
Look at that.
So we'll have all of our other stuff in place first, you know, so you can see everything, and that's it. But to try and push this all in with it all there, one person hold that in place, get that, it's too much. So we will get everything together today, or best we can, because Boss Man has to go do a couple other things, because he doesn't love me anymore and he's leaving. Jesus. Hey, if I didn't pick on you, you'd think something was wrong.
Yeah, I'd be like, Scotty, okay.
Yeah, exactly. Why is that not going in right?
We'll find the right hole.
Huh, that's weird.
Flip it over. Jesus.
Hey, I never said I was the sharpest crayon in the box.
So you gotta buy the box with the sharpener on the side, dude.
I know, right?
We all know that.
And then you gotta push all that down.
With the clippy
Yeah.
and the springy.
Well, all of that's got to be in first, so you've got about this much room to work.
Oh, fuck. Okay, that's gonna be fun when we do that.
Because once that's locked into place, this can't come out.
Yeah. So we'll do that maybe in the morning.
Yeah.
When we're fresh. But we
Well,
wanna
I'll get everything together and get it
all
prepped
ready.
so that we know.
And then we just knock her out first thing.
Yep.
Quick and easy, painless.
Quick, easy, painless.
Alrighty, Scotty.
Or as a couple of my friends in the UK say, easy peasy.
Lemon squeezy.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
Thank you, sir.